होगा वो घूम रहा है अभी राइट अभी लाइव है हम लोग so we will wait for few seconds so that it gets roll out on the live also. Okay, yeah, people are joining okay, great. So let's wait for few more seconds for the people to join. Okay, hi all. Hi. Waiting. Okay, Harshit, we are live now. Okay, so we will wait for some more time so that everyone joins. Okay, so I can see. Okay, still people are joining. What about people on LinkedIn? So guys, are you able to hear us? Yes, no. Quick yes, no. You can give, and yes. So let's wait for some time. Uh, yeah. So 1 second. Okay, now, okay, guys, you all are hearing? Okay, now people are hearing us. Okay, great. So, guys, thanks a lot for joining this live. So, we have our old students from previous batches. Okay, so today I have brought these people to you so that you can understand how to hunt for a job and whatever they have gone through in this many months or this many years, their struggle, they will be sharing to you all. And let's get started. And meanwhile, you can ask your queries also. Once they give their introduction, you can ask any type of queries with respect to your job search. Okay. So yeah, let's get started. So Priyanka, you can introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm a DevOps and Cloud Engineer from last 4 year and 7 months. I'm working with the service-based company from last 3 years, and I'm working with the different tools and technology for CI/CD. We are using like Jenkins, GitLab, and for version control, we are using Git, Force, GitLab. According to the project, we will change the version control, and according to the client, and we also using Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform for as an infrastructure code and Ansible as a configuration management tool. In AWS cloud, we are using multiple services of AWS and Azure. So in AWS, we are using like EKS, ECS, S3 buckets, CloudFront, CloudWatch, EC2 instances, Windows, and many services we use. But with the project, and we need to write a Docker file for technology wise. We have like backend services inside Java, so we need to create a multi-stage Docker files for it. And for in the Angular technology for a front end, we multiple Jenkins pipeline as a cron job we need to run sometime. Some application needed, we need to create also Lambda function for our applications. So
Okay,
we are
so you so you are telling about your roles and responsibilities. So a quick small intro about your experience. Total experience you have 4.7 years, right?
yes,
Yes, and which batch you were part of?
like 7.0.
Okay, and okay, got it. And how was it? Like, did you enjoyed learning things?
Yeah,
Anyways, your
I
resume was
learned
very
many
good.
new. Yes, I have
Okay,
learned many new tools and tools which I don't like. JFrog, Kialis, Theo Jagger.
okay, good. Okay,
So
so
there
we
are
will come
lots
to
of
your.
new learnings.
Okay, good. So we will come to your next achievements also. So we will talk with Shreyansh now. So Shreyansh, over to you. What are you currently doing? How many years of experience you have? And you can introduce yourself to the audience. Like 100
Sure,
people are
sure.
watching. 100 people are watching.
Ah,
Yeah.
sure. Yeah, so my full name is Shreyansh Gandhi. So total I have 6 years of lab, to be precise, 6.2 years of experience. So over 6.2 years, I have worked in a service-based company for around 2.2 years and almost a 4 year in a product-based company. So I was a part of a Prime 7.0. So I joined head of community because I was kind of stuck in my career. So what happened is that during COVID, I joined one of a product-based company. So over there, I was only the DevOps engineer, and I have to do work with directly with the manager and the CTO itself. So most of the
Okay.
things I need to work on POCs and R&D. So I at that point of time, I was not able to do some proactive or the work that justifies my working hours. So most of the time spends on R&D and that kind of POC stuff, right? So I internally switched to automations, API automations. So we have architecture based on microservices, like various front end and back end services are there. And whenever we do production release, our product gets like crack. Sudden production issue always arise. So I took the initiative. Okay, first we should stabilize our product and then focus on DevOps related practices. So I continued, and like almost 2 years, I worked in API automation itself. So I differ for my. So I started as a CloudOps engineer,
Hmm.
and then working as a DevOps engineer. But then I actually, what you can say, differ from my actual DevOps core DevOps profile to let's say API automation engineer. So the
Achha.
reason I joined DevOps, I want to like brush up my old skills. Also, I want to what you can say the new want to learn the new and how the current market is there. के जब मैंने छोड़ा था 2 साल पहले और अभी 2 साल में चेंज क्या हुआ है. Plus all the like Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, like the things which I already know, I forgot it. So
Achha.
I
Okay.
want all, and plus on top of that, I don't have like real what you can say project based experience. So
Hmm.
on AWS community, you provided very good what you can say a set of projects that actually boosted my confidence on like how to do hands on. And then I faced a lot of challenges in terms of interview. So one thing, what you can say, I can share experience on like how to face interviews and how the current job market is
Correct.
specific to
Correct.
DevOps role.
So I think
So,
I will come to that questions. I will come to
sure,
that
sure,
questions,
definitely.
sure. But yeah,
Okay,
your
okay, yeah,
experience is really good. I think you started with something else, then you have jumped into something else.
yes,
I think that is very
correct, correct.
interesting. So yeah.
Got
So
it.
going to Vandana, introduce yourself, Vandana.
Hello everyone, I'm Vandana. So I have almost 3 years of experience. So my journey started with the development because 2021 I passed out, and after that I joined into development, and then I went to DevOps. I understood what is DevOps, and post that I started to work with the CI/CD pipelines, and with the again the Jenkins tool stack, the Ansible, Terraform, even the AWS services. And once I wanted to learn more about Kubernetes and other Docker stuff. So I explored a Praveen's Hey DevOps course. Then actually it really helped me in those stuff. So the way he explains from the basics to get till the advanced concept, it was very clear to me. And almost it helped me, and I cracked visa today, and I'm working in a visa as a full-time software development DevOps.
Great,
So
great.
thanks
That's
to you.
good. So I think I after this live I will share you Rashmi's number also, Rashmi's contact also. She is also in Visa. She was from batch 4. She also came to our YouTube channel. So Visa is very good company, and thanks a lot for your coming here. And we will also see like what were your interview questions. Right. Recently you have cracked good company, so we will talk about that also. So hi Sujata, how are you doing? Mute. You are on mute. Okay, let me.
Hi,
Now
sir. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. So Sujata is our very old student, but recently she completed one project and she shared a picture also on LinkedIn with a cake cutting in your project. So I thought, why not? She also joins and tell you all like what exactly is happening in companies. So Sujata, introduce yourself.
Yeah, myself Sujata. I'm from batch 4.2. Actually, the Praveen sir batch is very interesting, and the way we learnt was very interesting. And the way we learnt the all the tools and the real time projects, and the way he clears the doubt is very good. And the class was very interactive. And the shell scripting and the Linux and the Red Hat Linux to clear certification also, that also helped a lot. And there was one fear for fresher, like how to handle AWS, DevOps, Azure, or GCP. That all fear gone after joining Praveen sir's class. Actually, it is interactive. And there was one doubt group in Telegram where sir used to interact with all the students and clarify the doubts. And in the interactive section also in class on the spot, they used to read the comments and solve every student's doubts. And on each tool, Praveen sir used to do one projects, and that project helped me to stand as a DevOps SRE.
Great,
I said in the class where I'll become a DevOps SRE. So now I am a DevOps SRE. Before
great,
I worked as a build and release engineer and DevOps engineer. Now I am into DevOps SRE, and successfully I completed one DevOps SRE project, and it was also good, and got
great.
appreciation mails and success party from the My team, Bangalore team also, and Mumbai team also. Everyone gave a good feedback. In
Good, good.
3 months,
That's your
I
hard
got
work.
this good
That's your
feedback.
hard work, whatever you have done. So I think thanks a lot for your quick introduction, guys. So we will take now questions purely of everyone, right? So currently I am seeing few of the questions. So let's start with the first question. Okay, is now market down for DevOps? So now Sai Krishna is asking not only for 3 years, but I wanted to know for a fresher to experienced guy. Do you think that market is down? Like anyone can answer this question. Whoever thinks like
No,
yes, I can.
sir. No, sir. Market is not down. Actually, it's good. There is a lot of openings for DevOps. The thing is, the students should do hard work and they should keep on hunting for a job in LinkedIn, Naukri, and wherever the job portals are there. And they should not give a gap while studying and they should not lose the interest. It mainly depends on the hard works, how much the effort they will put on. That's it, sir. Market
Okay.
will be never down for DevOps or build and release or SRE. It's too totally in a demand, I can say, in foreign also as well as in India, Karnataka, Bangalore, everywhere there is a more demand for AWS and DevOps.
Understood. Understood. So let's talk with Vandana also. Vandana, you have recently cracked a good company visa. So what do you
Yes.
think? You are almost 3 years of experience, right? So
Yeah.
how you got the opportunity, and where are the platforms that you have searched for the job?
So to be honest, a recruiter reached out to me because I had a profile in LinkedIn, Naukri, Indeed, almost all the other up portals that you were telling to apply. And actively, I was looking for LinkedIn also because each post, each content was really important to me at the time during application. Because one thing I like noticed, recruiter reach out to you based upon the how much active are you in the other portals. When it
Correct.
comes to Naukri, I followed the important key aspects what you covered, and that actually really helped me to shortlist. And when I asked one of the HR, so they told that they outsourced the like
Hmm.
the resume.
Correct. Correct.
They, they searched out the resume instead of referrals. Just please be active on the other job portals. That would
Okay. So
really help.
for visa, you got through LinkedIn the call opportunity.
Yeah, I mean mostly on Naukri.
Okay, Naukri and LinkedIn. So I think
Yeah,
that two are the major platforms. So do you think
yes,
that
that is.
market is down now, or do you think that like okay, I got more calls?
Praveen, I got a lot of calls. Like almost
Okay,
daily, I used to get like 2-3 calls from the recruiters. I tried to
understood.
reach out to recruiters, and they replied back. And
Okay,
majority, I was getting shortlisted by the resume itself. I followed the
good, good,
important aspects that you have covered it.
good, good, good. I would love to see your resume. I have seen
Yeah.
Priyanka's resume. It's very good. I think you guys also have seen. So maybe in next time we will go through your resume also. So Priyanka, you recently got job, right? So and you have
Yes.
still 60 days notice period. You have 60 days notice
90
period, right?
days.
You
90
have
days.
90 days notice period. Okay.
Yeah.
So where did you got your first job, and not the company name, but I'm talking about like which platform approached you for job?
Naukri. Actually,
Naukri.
yes, Naukri link. Every day I got like 4 to 5 calls regularly from
Okay.
Naukri, Found It, LinkedIn, and other high risk. There are lots of
Okay.
platform. I have created my profile LinkedIn. I regularly applied for a company, and there are lots of posts on LinkedIn where we need to send our resume to particular mail ID. Or I also connect with a company for as a reference. I signed
Okay.
my resume.
Understood. So mostly you are telling like you were active in every platform, like Highrise,
Yeah.
Naukri, LinkedIn, every platform
Yeah.
you were like
Yes.
active. Good, good, good. So I think that is very important. We need to be very active in all the platforms. Even I was the one who was active. So one more question Atul is asking here: is DevOps for fresher? Now, Shreyans, I want to know from you because you were the
Sure.
person who have multiple domains like cloud, API engineer, then DevOps. So what do you think like current market is for DevOps, or like what is your take on this?
So see, the tools and technology that covers the entire DevOps process is you can never consider that any experienced guy can learn it, any fresher can learn it, right? So let's say if I would answer this question like that, let's consider any older profession in IT industry, right? So that is not actually like old days. They are doing the build and release processes, right? So they might don't know the Docker and Kubernetes, right? If you learn that, so that company will pay you more than that, because see, so it's not about okay, fresher will not get a good job roles and responsibility as well as package. So it's all about like how you learn the concept, the core concept. No, I'm not just talking about like you learn the tools and technology and you're good to go, but just learn the core concept, like how networking works, how storage works, right? How to troubleshoot from top to down approach, down to top approach, right? So that is the core, or you can say the pillar of the DevOps, right? And the tools and technology you can use whatever. It's an ocean there. Open source is an ocean. You can pick any tools and technology to do your job, right? So it's kind of like a willingness to learn, and just stick to your core concept, and then you can crack like more than an experienced guy is earning. So DevOps is like that. So एक dialogue था, I guess, पता नहीं कौन सी मूवी में, कि शेयर मार्केट कुआ है जो सबकी प्यास बुझा सकता है. So DevOps भी एक ऐसा ओशन है कि आपकी जिंदगी चली जाएगी, बट आप कभी लर्निंग खत्म नहीं होगा. So take learning as a earning. So the more you learn, there is a better opportunity. You will earn more.
Good. So I think that is very crisp answer, and we will move to the roadmap also. I will ask the people who are here what was the roadmap that they have followed, and very importantly, they will tell all the roadmaps. But let's move ahead. Like this is one of the interesting question which we get usually. Could any one of you explain how did you study or your study methods was? So Priyanka, I would like to know from you what was your study plan and how did you prepare for a job?
Actually, recently I joined your batch 7.0 because I'm looking for a job change. So I have seen the you are almost containing all the tools and technology which is needed as a DevOps, like a version control system, Dockerized, containerized system, automation. So I have joined your batch, and there are lots of documentation, and we got many assignments, so we can refresh our knowledge also. But because my last company was not using Git and GitLab, we are using different tool. But like in the assignment, I have clear all the things and all the doubts, and we have multiple documents for interview questions also.
Good. But apart from this study type, like you joined my batch and anything, how was your own preparation? That's where like people wanted to know. See, whatever I thought, that's fine. But
Yes.
what you did, that people want to know.
Yeah, actually I have a different platforms in the Udemy. I am learning. Before this page I have cleared the CK certification also, so I continue my learning. Like I
Good.
all time I learn the things, new tools and technology, because DevOps has a lots of tools and technology, like it's kind of
Correct.
sea.
Correct.
So
That's very true. That's very
we
true.
need to
So,
learn every day.
so you are telling that learning continuously have helped you to
Yeah,
crack jobs.
yeah,
I
yes,
can say that in
continuous
short.
learning, and we also need to check the what is market demand actually,
Correct. That's very true. That's very true. Actually, what you
because
have
we
told,
have a
like what.
lots of platforms on Udemy, Google. We can use it, YouTube, and we can learn.
So every day you have learned. And did you prepare any notebook for your learnings?
Yeah, I have created my own notes actually. I like to write notes instead of soft copy. I need to
Correct.
write. Yeah.
Correct. That's very true. So we need to make notes. So Jitin, this is for you. Make notes. Continuous learning is the two factors. I think everyone was nodding head. Even Vandana was nodding the head. So I think that is what the importance is. So let's go to the Manoj question. So Manoj is asking, even though we cleared the interview, some companies are not releasing the offer letter. Any idea about this and why this is happening? Now, who will go with this question? Vandana, you want to take
So
it?
basically, maybe they got a first better candidate, I would say.
Yes.
Or the second one is like maybe internally there is like a job posting happening, and due to the budget constraint, they hired. And
Hmm.
it happened to me actually. I went to a last round, and they denied releasing the offer letter, and because they told because your notice period is 60 days. So
Okay.
I previously told them, but this was the fact. They were looking for like 30 days of joining, and this was three facts that I can relay on this one.
Understood. So tell me one thing. Do you think that recession has affected the job patterns in 2024? What do you think? Vandana.
I won't think so. Basically, the job openings was 100 before. Now it has been reduced to 80. There is a
Okay.
delta change. There's no much change in the job market. There is a job
Understood.
opening. Still, if you see LinkedIn and if you select the DevOps, there are a lot of job openings. You need to
Understood.
like target to the right parameter with the right time. That's it. Having a
Understood.
great skills. Yeah.
That's very true.
Yeah,
That's
I,
very true.
I
Yeah.
would like to
Sorry.
add one point here. Sorry to interrupt.
No, go ahead.
So
Go ahead.
yeah, so I just want to, what you can say, add one point. Okay, how, what you can say, the market slowdown or current market has impacted the new hires. What it happened to me. So let's say out of 100%, like the regularly hiring like 10 to 20% of company, they won't give any excuses like market is bad or the current layoffs are going on, right? But most of the companies, like around 50% of company, they are using this bad market scenario or layoffs for their profit. कि भाई अभी मार्केट खराब है तो आप नेगोशिएट करो अपने कॉम्पेंसेशन पे. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपका आस्क कुछ एक्स अमाउंट है, राइट, लेट्स से कि आपने 10 LPA का आस्क किया है, तो बोलेगा मार्केट कंडीशन वो है तो आप इतने में ले लो, तो फिर आपको थोड़ा नेगोशिएशन, तो आप रिमोट ले लो. तो कभी मैंने ऐसा फेस किया कि अराउंड लाइक 30 to 40% कंपनी दे आर यूजिंग फॉर देयर प्रॉफिट फॉर नेगोशिएशन. The current market is because they find that okay, you are good candidate, how can we negotiate in terms of what you can say compensation or any other so ये सब जगह होता है. So मेरे साथ भी हुआ है. So I actually settled because I got job in my hometown, so it's a
Correct.
win-win for both of us.
That's very great. So
But
I think that is very
sometimes,
important.
if you are really a good candidate, they will release offer later in 1 week ago. Like they told you, we don't want to lose you. That's why we
Ah,
are not releasing you later. We want
correct,
you in
correct,
the team.
correct, correct. So I think that is a
Yes.
rare case. You need to be extraordinary good for that.
Yeah,
Very, very
because
extraordinary.
current situation, like they told me, we our client want you in the team, so we are not releasing you later. But they are every 2 days they contact me. Hi, hello.
Yeah, I think see you are on another level. So I have taken your mock interview, and even
Yeah.
one person from 7.0 also commented like you are Rajdhani Express. Okay, so I know you. So we have some plans also. Like we will do some mock interview on the YouTube channel also. Like people will love to see you. So going ahead to the next question. So I think Sujata will be correct for this question. Deepika Gupta is asking. I didn't work in DevOps. So how to explain your project story from scratch? So Sujata, go ahead.
Like you should start from first Linux commands you should learn, and you should explain like if the project interviewer will ask what are the day-to-day commands you have used, you should say like awk, set, grep, uh, mkdir to create a directory. So in company or during real-time projects, what are the commands are used? You should say. And coming to projects like Docker, using a Docker, we can create a Docker images. I have written a Docker file. You can say like using a GitLab. If you are good in GitLab, you can say like I have did a build and release engineer in GitLab. I have deployed my Java project in GitLab in our own server. You can say. Coming to Jenkins, I have run the Jenkins pipeline, Jenkins jobs in multiple server. You can say based on each tool you can explain each project. I think it's a very easy, you can do it like by using Prometheus and Grafana. For monitoring we have used these tools, so like this. And we have deployed 16 microservices using many tools like Trivi, Scanner, 45, JFrog. Like this you can explain. And select one company like Mercedes or Benz. Like that you can explain, and you can easily you
Understood.
can whatever the you have did explain that project only. Don't blindly explain copy from the other resumes, and don't blindly explain that because interviewer will easily catch you that you have
That's
covered.
right. So Sujata, one question to you. When
Yeah.
someone is not in DevOps and they want to come into DevOps, so people generally do some projects by own or somewhere they will take, right? So when they are keeping that in resume, so you are telling like you need to know about that complete project end to end. That's what your one line
Yes.
answer is. Yes,
Yes, sir.
without
Yes.
taking any copy from the other resumes and all. They
Yes.
should sit on their own and think and then put the pointers.
Yes.
That's what you are
What
telling.
you know genuinely, put that in resume and you can explain genuinely to the interviewer, is what I am
I
saying.
I think that
Blindly
is
don't copy from other side and say interviewer will they will catch you. That's it.
correct. Correct. That's very true. I think, and I'm seeing one important question here, like
Yes.
scenario based. Everyone is like behind scenario based for 3 years, scenario based for freshers, scenario based for experience. Now, what is a scenario, or what were the questions which were given to you as part of scenario? Like Vandana, you want to answer?
Yeah, sure, Praveen. So basically, they will target you in the troubleshooting part. So what if this appears and how do you troubleshoot it? Can you tell me some commands or can you tell me the entire scenario from start to end? So example, you're deploying an application and you majorly you missed some parameter. How do you troubleshoot it basically? Or when it comes to Kubernetes, how do you deploy it and can you tell me the deployment steps? Or if what if you fail? I think you have covered a lot in the practical scenario questions. I really went through that videos, so
Understood.
it really helped me. And also I, apart from this, I went to the Udemy courses, the YouTube, the troubleshooting, and there's a series on that. And there is a Medium blog, like for the Kubernetes part. These are the things actually helped me in the scenario based questions. So definitely,
Understood.
if you have 3 years experience, I'm pretty sure they'll target you on a scenario based question. They won't leave you and they won't ask you a basic questions. So
Understood.
first round you can clear it. Second round, I'm pretty damn sure that they will ask you a scenario based questions,
Okay,
and
so
they'll
tell me
roast
one
you until
scenario.
you, yeah.
Understood. So tell me one scenario which you were not able to answer, and you thought like after coming home or after completing the interview, you just Google about that. Any situation you faced like that?
Yeah, it was a Kubernetes question. So they gave me one scenario based question. How do you troubleshoot it when you get an error? Uh, I'm not able to remember the question. It was a basically a Kubernetes question.
Understood.
Maybe you can take it a error block, error code. How
Acha,
do you like
acha.
crash your back error or any image pull error back error? So this kind of question they were given to me, and in that scenario I was being stuck, but try to simplify it. Then I didn't get, like, I thought it was not justice to that, so I came back and I did research on my own.
Okay,
Then I
you did research and then got
Yes,
that.
yes,
Okay, good,
definitely.
good, good.
And
So guys,
also, I whatever interview question is there, I like made a note kind of thing so that I can revise to the next interview. And this was
understood.
the advice you have given to us in one of
Yes.
the classes. Yeah,
I think I usually follow that. Even for my
yeah,
interviews, I write notes very much. If I don't give answer, I write. So one thing here, guys. So those who are watching, like the video. Okay. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe. Also, almost like 150 close to people are watching us. So let's go ahead with the next set of questions. So one interesting question is this one. Like I see many people are here automation testers. Hi, bro. Currently, I have 2 years of automation experience and I'm getting 13 LPA. Now, if I want to switch to DevOps, how much can I get? So, Shreyansh, you want to go ahead? Like this question is very, very
Yeah, exactly.
so
So,
what do you
yeah,
think?
correct. So, see, so you are having, let's say, experience purely on, let's say, manual testing or automation testing, right? And you want to, let's say, now switch on the DevOps domain. So, first and foremost point I would like to improve is just learn the end-to-end pipeline first. Okay, you already have the API automation skills, right? So now just learn how the build process is going, how the deploy process is been done, and how monitoring part is been done. You already are familiar with the testing part, right? So it will be easy to understand how, let's say, one code is flowing, like your basically your pipeline flow is from start to end, right? And then you can explain on that basis. Okay, similarly, I also justify myself because I was out of the core DevOps profile for around, let's say, 2 years, and then I actually coming back to the things actually. from I have started, right? So I like answered it. So I designed end-to-end pipeline in second round of interview. Let's say I have a 6 years of experience, right? So in the second round of interview, they ask this kind of question: "Okay, can you design a pipeline?" So I give an example of a Java-based application. So this just work on your basics. So let's say you have a very good testing skill in, let's say, Selenium. So you will be what you can say. It will be easy to understand how the Java project is been what you can say deployed end to end, right? And just start with the cloud platform like basic AWS. Work with Jenkins, and then Dockerize it and deploy via the Kubernetes, right? So this is the what you can say the first touch point. And let's say if you are getting 13 LPA, if you let's say work let's say around 2 to 3 months, you will definitely get like around 15 to 20 LPA, and it depends on company to company. See.
I
But
guess, yeah.
just yeah, I would recommend just upgrade to yourself DevOps. Don't just limit yourself to automation tester, because see the current market scope in terms of testing is shrinking and DevOps is growing. So it's better you what you can say have your options wide open. It will take initially it will be hard for you, but once you transition from automation tester to DevOps, then you will what you can say appreciate your decision. And there is no what you can say market खराब है, ऐसा नहीं होगा. अगर DevOps के लिए खराब है तो टेस्टिंग के लिए तो बहुत ही मार्केट खराब होने वाला है, ऐसा है. बिकॉज
Understood.
चैट जीपीटी आने वाला है, तो वो DevOps में इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है, तो टेस्टर की तो फिर हालत बहुत खराब होने वाली है.
सही
तो
बोला.
बेटर है भैया अभी अभी अपग्रेड हो जाओ, अभी भी टाइम है, सीखना चालू कर दो.
Correct. So Shiva is asking direct question to Vandana. Is your resume was prepared by your own, or Praveen suggested any tips to prepare? So what do you want to tell Vandana?
So basically, I did my own, and I took inputs from Praveen also, but not in personally. When during the classes, he used to tell set of points, and apart from that, also he told about Naukri, and I took the key points on that, and also I implemented same in my resume, and thereafter it really clicked my resume.
Understood. So that is very great. So resume plays an important role, not only for Vandana, whoever joins our batch. I think I give the same inputs, right? So, okay, can anyone tell me like what is this all about? Like what programming questions are asked for people with development background? Anyone?
Java, Python, Java, Python, they will ask, and .NET also. Just have a basic knowledge on that. If you don't know the programming language, no need to worry. Just have a basic knowledge on all programming languages, and you can handle the DevOps. No need to fear or worry about anything.
Understood. I think that is very true. And tell me, guys, Priyanka, uh,
Yes.
any coding questions you got among this, like when you were giving interviews?
Not a coding questions, but I like scripting questions. I get
Uh-huh.
sometimes like a groovy scripting, like if for a Jenkins purpose and like cron job purpose. Let's say we need to automate something, so they will ask the scenario based question. We have this kind of scenario. How will you automate it? So we
Correct.
need to like we can write a cell script, or let's say they ask a question related lambda, so we can ask like we will create a script in a Python
Hmm.
using the Boto 3, and we can
Correct.
answer it. Not a like we can say we are not a fully in the development. We are a
Correct.
DevOps and we know the basics of the all programming languages.
Understood. Rashmi, did you got any questions? You were nodding head, so I am curious to ask. Any coding questions you got? Vandana, sorry. I said I thought
Yes,
Rashmi.
Praveen, I got a coding question. Actually, first round was a screening round. So I don't want to mention the company, but in that they asked me to find the number of occurrences. They told to open the file, read the file, and tell the how much duplicates are there in that file. Also, they told me to print in a JSON,
I
key
think this
and
is
file.
yeah,
Yeah,
I think this is a scripting question. So I think
scripting question.
very
And,
good important question. I always
yeah,
tell. So I think
you
that is
covered in one of the scenario also. So
correct. So
I
I think
got
that
that.
is very good. Great. So very important question now. I was waiting for this question to come in and didn't saw till now. So roadmap for DevOps, right? Sujata, you were almost like from last year, you were struggling to get a job. You got a job. You
Yes.
celebrated it. You cut a cake in office. So what do you think a proper roadmap for a DevOps engineer should be?
To tell. The roadmap for DevOps is first learn these commands. Then come to AWS like 9 services, EC2, VPC peering, Route 53, ELB, auto scaling, Elastic Beanstalk, Elastic File System, EKS. Once you are perfect with AWS, it will be very easy to learn the DevOps tool like GitLab, Bitbucket, Jenkins, Prometheus, Grafana, Docker, Kubernetes, Datadog, Splunk, ServiceNow, Prometheus like monitoring tools. It's very easy. And after the DevOps tools, you can learn like Azure or GCP. Once you are perfect with AWS, the similar concept is applied for GCP and Azure. So this is the roadmap I followed during
Okay.
interview process, and it made me easy to clear about the 10 company interviews.
10 companies you have cleared. Okay, that's really great. And I know like how you have struggled. You were one of the student like who used to give like documents, right? You mailed me some documents. I was looking at you, like you struggled a
Interviews
lot.
to
you
get
you
that.
struggled a lot actually. Your hard
Yeah,
work is there. So
yes,
thanks a
yes.
lot. Okay, so going to Shreyansh, matlab, what do you think roadmap of DevOps? What is the best roadmap? What do you think?
So see, first of all, you need to be very strong in Linux. I would say this. So whatever, how much advanced level you go in DevOps, the Linux should be your foundation. So Linux कभी भी आपके आपसे कोई नहीं निकाल पाएगा. So try to deep dive in networking concepts in Linux, right? So Linux आपका जितना strong होगा, the far you can go in DevOps journey. And second thing, you should learn the cloud platform at least one. So start with AWS because mostly nowadays companies are adopting AWS over GCP and Azure. So
Hmm.
AWS just start with the basic services. So I would say Linux and AWS cloud is the foundation pillars of DevOps. And once you, let's say, okay, you are very good in these two, then you can go for the, let's say, okay, pipelines. So you can learn Jenkins and then you can learn how to containerize it. So then you can go for Docker and Kubernetes. And then in on advanced level, you will go, nextly, you can go learn ISE, let's say, okay, Terraform. And then you can complete your journey with any monitoring solution, for example, Datadog or any
Hmm.
other thing. So try to what you can say, try to strong your concept in Linux and cloud. Once you will have like very strong and deep knowledge, you will automatically get कि मुझे और सीखना है, मुझे अभी आगे जाना है, right? So आपको अंदर से आएगा कि ना I want to advance, I want to learn this new technology. But for that, you have your concepts are very strong, and your basics should be very strong. So first learn work on your basic concept because interviewers will only test your concepts. उनको ये interest नहीं है कि how you solve the problem. Even if you don't able to solve the problem, it tries to see that के are you willingness to solve your problem or not, because
That's very true.
वो आपका कोर कंसेप्ट ही चेक कर रहा है. अगर आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम दे दिया तो रट्टा मार के तो सबको आ जाएगा, ठीक है.
Correct,
बट वो
correct,
ऐसा, वो बंदे का अप्रोच क्या है, तो ये बेसिक्स है. मतलब एनी नंबर ऑफ इयर्स में ये कॉमन ही रहेगा, वेदर इट्स 1 ईयर, 2 ईयर, 5 ईयर्स, 10 ईयर्स, 15 ईयर्स, 20 ईयर्स. 20 ईयर्स का बंदा आएगा, उसको कोई रट्टा मार के उसको कॉमर्स नहीं पूछने वाले हैं. उसको
correct.
ऐसे ही सॉल्यूशन बोलेंगे कि भाई हमको कॉस्ट ऑप्टिमाइज सॉल्यूशन बना के दिखा. अब इसको सारे टूल्स आते हैं बट वो अभी वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं कर पाया उसके एक्सपीरियंस के, तो वो बंदा फिर उसका एक्सपीरियंस काम का नहीं है, राइट. सो ऑलवेज work on your concept and also focus why I am using this tool, what problem I am solving, and how can I optimize it. So अगर ये दो चीज रखोगे ना तो automatically your concept will get stronger and your foundation will be stronger. So yeah,
Very
this is
true.
the
Very
advice I
true.
can give.
And we have one more person. I don't know this guy name, the Tiny Toe. I migrated to Canada after getting a job offer, senior cloud engineering. Praveen made me to become full-time DevOps like cloud engineering. NDA blocked me to expose the name. So I don't know basically. Okay, I don't know from which batch he is. Okay. Thanks a lot. I think you have made a comment. So don't know name, don't know batch. So that's fine. Okay. Yeah. So I think I have asked you all to be with me for 30 minutes. So we have extended for 10 more minutes. So I think that's good enough that we have talked with the students. But I think I will take all the remaining queries I'll be taking. I'll be continuing this live. So Priyanka, what do you want to tell about the future DevOps engineers or those who are looking for job? Like one line statement from you. Like ऐसे ऐसे करने से ऐसे ऐसे होगा या एक लाइन में क्या बोलना चाहते हो? रैपिड फायर एकदम आग लगा दो अपने आंसर से.
Learn, learn, and learn.
Okay, that's a very straightforward and simple thing. Learn. So I think that is very straightforward. Learn. So what she has did simply she was continuously learning things. So I think
Yeah.
that's a very good answer, Priyanka. I
And we
think.
also need to up to date related the tools which is
Hmm.
are coming in the market related to
Correct.
DevOps.
Correct, correct. So that's very good. So first, we have discussed like learning is very important. So Vandana, what is your take in terms of DevOps and cloud engineering going forward? Right? What do you expect the students to follow? Any suggestions or any comments from your end?
Yes, I mean DevOps is the future. So migrating from on-premise to cloud and accessing everywhere, and that's the beauty of the DevOps. So what I suggest is like get your fundamentals strong. Without any basic or any without any base, you can't grow. So get your fundamentals strong and learn first on-premise and move to cloud. Put the strategy is the same strategy it's in cloud, and upskill yourself and do your hard work, and every day you need to just go through whatever you are learning and be in a consistent way. That's it.
That's very true. That's very
Yeah.
true. So Shreyansh, uh,
Yes.
what is the one suggestion you want to give to freshers? By the way, like for the future freshers, what is the one suggestion you want?
Sure. So there is one saying I would relate to the DevOps journey. So let's say it's said like this: if you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. But keep moving. So this is applicable in DevOps. So don't be stagnant. आप stuck मत हो जाओ. That's it. अगर let's say कि आपका for working professional I am giving example कि आपको कंपनी का workload 12 घंटे भी है, but at least spend time like at least like 3 to 4 hours in a week. I am saying in a week, right? To learn the new things. Don't be stuck at any number of years, because if you go in your comfort zone ना, then वो फिर आप वहीं stuck हो जाओगे, and the market will keep introducing new tools and technology. So बाकी सब सीखेंगे, बाकी सब switch मारेंगे, आप वहीं stuck हो जाओगे, आपका career growth फिर बाद में सोचोगे यार मैं तो weekends enjoy करने में रह गया. So don't be like that. आपको जब भी टाइम मिलता है, keep investing in yourself, in upgrading the tools and technology. Right.
Correct. That's really good. So Sujata, the final comment from you, right? Your struggles, your hard work, and your success. What is
Would
the
like
one? Yeah, what is the one take that you want to give to the DevOps community?
uh, don't fear. DevOps is vast, learning is big, tools are difficult, scripting we need, coding we need. वो सब दिमाग से हटा दो, आराम से बैठो, पढ़ो. लाइक डेवॉप्स सब लैंग्वेजेस में है, कन्नड़ा में है, तेलुगु में है, हिंदी में है, इंग्लिश में है. आपको
Correct.
कौन सा लैंग्वेज कन्वीनियंट होता है वो ज्वाइन करो. प्रवीण सर का कोर्स भी तेलुगु में है, हिंदी में है, इंग्लिश में है. ज्वाइन करो एंड कंफर्टेबल लैंग्वेज में पढ़ो एंड नेवर गिव अप. कीप ऑन लर्निंग, कीप ऑन ग्रोइंग. put your hard efforts, hard work, and learn 2 hours practical and 1 hour theory daily. If you don't have time, give your free time on weekends. Working people, I would like to suggest. And market में कौन सा tool demand है वो पढ़ाई करो and definitely will clear the interview and focus on GitLab, Azure, AWS, GCP, and shell scripting and Linux. These all concepts, if you learn, definitely will clear the interview. For 3, 4, 5, 6 plus, you can clear the interview. I'll give the guarantee.
Okay,
Thank
that's
you.
great, Sujata. So one thing that we have taken today is keep learning. Okay, so whoever have come to our this live session. What I have understood is keep on learning, guys. So there is no stop. And thanks a lot for Vandana, Priyanka, Sujata, and Shreyansh. Even many other students were there in the what you call queue. But I wanted to give some chance where people are really interested to come forward and talk to our community. Thanks a lot for sharing your valuable insight. Let's meet you all in some time, and I will be continuing this live. You all can drop off, and thanks a lot for your time. Yeah,
Thank
thanks Vandana, thanks Priyanka, thanks Sujata, thanks Shreyansh. Bye bye, bye all. I will continue this live. You can guys drop off. Yeah. Okay. Yes, that's great, guys. So yes, I will now take all your questions now. So I think you guys were very, very eager to see all these things, right? So let me take all your questions. I see one of the important question what Chitesh is asking. Please tell me DevOps current market in abroad countries like UK, USA for freshers, and if market is good, how to crack job in those countries. So Chitesh, very importantly, I have not been to the other countries, but I would like to tell you there are many ways to get job in other countries. Okay, so there are some websites which you can check for other countries, which I have not explored, by the way, but I know like some of the websites. But start with Fiverr if you are looking for like some small jobs or some kind of paid work, right? Start with Fiverr. I can give you the data also. So that is very important. Okay, Fiverr is very good place to start your work. So keep on learning, and also check in YouTube also. Like you can type job portals for abroad. You will get all your questions. Okay. How much Linux is important for DevOps? Linux is very important, guys. This is the base for DevOps. Without Linux, we cannot move ahead. That is one of the basic need for a DevOps engineer. Like how we are human beings, we are thinking like, yeah, air, water, clothes, and shelter is for our surviving. Similar way, Linux is for DevOps. I think very, very important thing. So my question is very simple. Low, how you guys worked hard? I mean, in which areas you guys more important worked on and to get a job? So Mohammed, this is very simple. See, guys, there is a roadmap you need to follow. Okay, the roadmap is simple: Linux, Git, Jenkins, then your CI/CD entire tools integration. Then your various kinds of things will come into that integration sectors, which you need to be very precise. Okay, and after you learned like Ansible, Kubernetes, you need to work on monitoring stack. You need to work on security stack, right? So those things are there, which are very, very important. Okay. Okay. What is the main thing in DevOps as a fresher? Which tools is important? So whatever tools I have told you is very important. Apart from this, your resume, the way you show confidence to the recruiter or the interviewer, the way you show the positive thing, like, okay, boss, you take me into your team and I will be ready to give my 100% to your team. So these are the some things for a fresher which are very mandatory. So keep working on your skills, guys. That's what we have learned. I think very, very important that one, right? So yeah, Suresh is asking, I have 12 years of experience as Linux admin. My current package is 30 lakhs. Fixed is 22 lakhs. If we want to get into 50 LPA, how many years of experience? See, guys, for a 12-year of experience, your package should be above 50 by right now. Okay, but because you are Linux admin, your current package is 30 LPA. But see, there is no limitation of years of experience. You can crack 50 LPA in 3 years, 50 LPA in 5 years, 50 LPA in 10 years, 50 LPA in 15 years also. But ideal situation is you move to DevOps, Suresh. Okay, very importantly, you have to move to DevOps, which will help you to grow quicker. Okay, that will help you to scale quicker for your target. At least you can target for 30 lakhs. You have at least 50% of hike. You can get it for 45 lakhs, and you can target for good managerial roles. And guys, as I am taking more questions now, I would like to tell you. So you have seen many students right now who have come to us, who have joined us in our previous batches. So I would like to tell you all, right? Almost seats are filled. Okay, next 5 people, those who want to join, can join this batch 8, which is going to start in the next coming days. Okay, so already we have shared all the details in this page. Okay, so you will be getting 14 projects, and I would like to tell you, if you are a fresher, if you are joining me, I'm going to teach you all these projects. And people, those who don't know like where to start, what to read, how to approach to some situation, scenario based questions, Python scripting, see, Python, shell scripting, project based scenarios, you have any doubt, you come to this batch and we will explain you in detail with projects. And the cost for today is 4,999 for next 1 hour, guys. So we have kept this price for last 3 days almost. Okay, so now we are updating the price. If anyone wants to enroll, I'm giving you this link. You can explore by yourself, and any questions with respect to your doubts, you can ask me. After our training, Suresh, see, this training is valid for 0 to 14 years of experience. You can come join with me, because I myself have 10 years of experience, and I can tell confidently that yes, this is the place where you can learn, where you can go week wise. If you see the topic, right, every topic is kept in such a way that you keep those things in your resume. I'll be sharing your resume templates. I'll be giving you interview questions. I'll be giving you mock interviews. I'll be giving you project roles and responsibilities. And to be very honest, whatever the projects you are seeing, we will be giving you the project roles and responsibilities. So what are you waiting, guys? Right? You can come join us. What are the prerequisites? There is no prerequisites. So that is what, there is no prerequisites as of now. And if you are joining this course, already there are 3 levels of things in this course: level 1, level 2, level 3. Once you join the course, you need to just complete those 3 levels. Level 1 will be documents, level 2 will be Linux documents, level 3 will be mock interviews and resume templates. You have to work on this. Okay, any more questions, guys? Yes. Great. Suresh, thanks a lot. I would like to see you in this batch. And 5 people, those who are with me, you can enroll for this batch, guys. Very, very important. 3 days a week, I'll come and teach you. You can check everything. This is our placement stories. If you want to see how the students have placed, what are the things that are there, right? Yes, this course is completely beginner level. You can join and you can see like beginner friendly. You can come and explore the course, right? And it will be project oriented, guys. So how we are targeting is, you learn a concept, you do a project. You learn a concept, you do a project under my guidance, right? So that's how I have designed. Every session is live session, guys. Okay, so all the sessions are live, and particularly you are going to get AWS and Azure. If I search here Azure, the most important thing, if you see Azure, there is projects. Okay, very, very important. So you need to understand, yes, I am going to help you with interview preparation. I will be solely sitting with you. I'll be doing the mock interviews for you, right? So you see here, the batch 8 is ready, guys. Batch 8 is ready. So next 5 people, those who are enrolling in this live, okay, please tell your names and I will be reducing the count. Okay, level 2 documents will be updated by tomorrow, Naveen. Thanks a lot for joining, by the way. Okay, so level 2 documents will be unlocked by tomorrow, and similarly level 3 after 3-4 days. So that's how we follow. Okay, so any questions you have? Yes, this course is beginner level. And Mohammed, thanks a lot. Yes, definitely, if you join, you will be able to see the things. All this, no see, these things we don't do. Okay, this proxy and those things we will not do. Okay, Manisha Jadhav, great. Jadhav, you have enrolled. Okay, 4 people. You can come to me, join me, explore the things. Having a gap, can I put 3 years? Will you provide a job? No, I'm not going to give you any experience certificate or anything. This is just like your learning course, guys. Very simple, very straightforward. I'm telling you. You come to me, I will teach you. Every class will be live class, and after that, you are going to get recordings, and doubts clearing session will be there. You will be getting dedicated lab practice also. You see here, this is our labs. You come here, you do some labs, you start your Python coding, you test your Python coding, you get your output, you will be happy person. Okay, this is how our DevOps compilers have been made for you. You can check our DevOps compilers also, right? Yeah, great. Sujata, thanks a lot for your support. I think that's really good. Okay, 3 people who are with me in this live, guys. So you can check our yeah, I can write some code for you if you want to see, right? If you want to see some code, like maybe I can print something else, I can write something for you, right? I can put a variable here, maybe that will help you to understand like how exactly list of strings, maybe Maven, right? Maybe Gradle, right? So like that, you have to make sure that you understand things, right? And let's take, like, I print this list. Okay, I write here. So this is how our basic like print statements will work. And we will say print list, right? And you can see here, if I run the code, right? Okay, there is some error. What is that error, by the way? What is that error? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me? So it's telling like there is a inconsistent space, there is something, there is some indentation, right? So these all things, like you see here, how this well equipped Python coding is there. Not only this, if you see here, we have plain text. If you want to explore in Java, we have Java also, right? So you can do anything in our class. Okay. So one important thing is, see, our previous batches have been completed successfully. Now I am running 8th batch for you. If anyone is interested, you can come to us, right? And you can explore the scenarios. Only online course, yes, online live sessions. We are teaching only online live sessions. Why we are not getting calls nowadays? Any idea? See, guys, jobs are there. You just have to go to LinkedIn. You just have to click job section, and you will see many jobs here. See here, right? Flipkart, Geo, Google. You can apply. Even I can apply to Google. I will just see in front of you. How many years of experience he is asking? Reposted 3 days ago. Okay, he has not given any years of experience here. That I am able to see. But I think that is one important thing. And yes, you all can be here, right? Yes, great. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Yes, you can join. You can join, Aniket. I think I know only Linux, but I don't know about DevOps tool. This course is complete beginner level. Yes, guys, very important. If you are with me, right? And LinkedIn, guys, if anyone wants to join, you can join. See, this is all the things are there. You can definitely enroll. Okay, last 3 people. Anyone who is interested, you can click on this link. You can join. And any questions, you can talk. Yes, Suresh, you wanted to talk? Okay, any doubts, any queries you have for me? And guys, how many people are there in a batch? It's very limited batch. This 8 at least is limited. Okay, Kumar Swami, great. That's really great, Kumar Swami, DG, right? And guys, one good thing is you can check this course anywhere. Okay, anywhere you can search. If you get this type of content in this much less price, I guarantee you take that course. I am talking not about like YouTube videos or something. If you get dedicated coaching where some mentor is coming, sitting with you, showing you screen, showing you documents, showing you flow, showing you real-time scenarios, sharing his resume templates, sharing his interview questions, then you join. Less than this cost, if you get anywhere, you can definitely join. I don't have any issues, right? Okay, if Sagar, if it is 1,000 people, I will open a office in Bangalore itself. Okay, no 1,000 people, and I cannot teach to 1,000 people. Very true. I purchase batch if I don't have experience, but project head DevOps. Yes, definitely, Bhavish. That's what we are targeting, right? Okay. So, any more questions you have, guys? Any more doubts you have? You want to ask me? Any more doubts you have? You want to ask me? Okay, last 2 people, guys. I'm waiting for 2 more people to come with me to explore the levels in the website. And what are you getting? This all things will be yours, whatever you are seeing here. Okay, so you can see different kinds of things, different kinds of data, various kinds of bonuses will be for you. And apart from that, these all tools you are going to learn: Grafana, Prometheus, Azure, Kiali, Kubernetes, Docker, Terraform, Helm, RBAC, Postman, Java, Spring Boot, various kinds of tools you are going to learn with me. Sure, Suresh, that's really good. If you have any questions, you can post at me. If you guys think that no, this is really tough to read, you can let me know. Any more questions you have, guys, for me? Okay, last 2 people are here. Anyone who want to enroll, let me know. Okay, sure, Sagar. Ramya Shri. Okay, yes, guys. Those who want to speak with me, you can come here. I am sharing the link. You can come to the StreamYard. I will take you in. You can ask your queries. This is the StreamYard link. If anyone wants to come in, you can come in. Okay. And meanwhile, 2 seats left for today's live. If anyone wants to come in, you can come in. Okay. So Venkata, see, for freshers, it's very difficult to get a job. But see, if it is difficult, we cannot stop here. We have to continuously learn, right? So that's where we are like, we will learn, upskill. Okay. Okay, so guys, anyone who wants to talk with me, this is the link. Where is the invite link? Yeah, so this is the invite link. You can click on this link. Okay, Satish, limited seats. until I am capable of answering your issues. I will take. Okay. So very limited. Batch 8 is very, very less people, because this time we are targeting something new, something different. Okay. Okay. A senior DevOps engineer from Bangalore watched your YouTube videos. He suggested me to take your course. Thanks a lot, Suresh. Yes. If anyone is here, you can join this stream. And two people, guys, two people. Who are those two people? Okay. Bitra, Krishna, Sai. Yes. Krishna, go ahead. Yeah, you can unmute yourself. You can go ahead. Yeah, you can unmute yourself. Krishna. Sure, that works. Okay, you're not able to unmute? Okay. Okay, you have to connect your mic and device, then only I can take you in live. Okay, Ramya Shri. Yes, Ramya, go ahead.
I can do, Praveen.
Yeah, you. Okay, you can ask your query. Yes. Ramya?
Yes, Praveen.
Yeah, you can ask your query. Yeah. What happened? Are you able to hear me, Ramya?
Yes, Praveen.
You don't want to ask any query?
Yeah, actually, the thing is, I have 3 years of experience in India at X company. So
Okay.
that is irrelevant to DevOps field.
Yes. Okay.
So after that, I moved to the USA for my master's.
Yes.
So I have approached some X consultancy and they have given me the DevOps resume.
Yes.
So I don't have even basics of the DevOps also.
Understood.
So they started marketing on DevOps and I'm unable to attempt the screening also if they ask other than introduction, any
Oh,
technical knowledge. So
yes.
will this course helps me?
Yes. Ramya, can I know your experience, total experience?
Yeah, total I have 3 years of experience.
Three only,
So
right? See, Ramya,
yeah,
it's very
but that
less.
is
Okay.
not related to DevOps.
Don't
They
worry.
have
So, which
kept a,
experience you have?
yeah, they have total 4+ years of experience,
Hmm.
and first they keep the title as a build and release engineer at the start of my career, and then
Hmm.
later they have added the clients like AWS cloud engineer, and the other one is AWS DevOps engineer.
Understood. Hmm.
Yeah.
So
So
see,
I
Ramya, very
yeah
simple. Okay, very simple. See, 3 years, you can easily at least go till second, third rounds. That is my guarantee. I am
okay
giving you that guarantee, that confidence. See, whatever people do in USA, we are not bothered. Okay. What you are getting in this course, I have clearly told you about the projects. Only thing is, because you have 3 years of experience, you will be able to understand the depth and the crux of these projects. And I will be giving a roles and responsibilities document also, right? So you are able to see, right? Each
yeah
project, I will be giving one role and responsibility, like Infosys. If this project comes, what is the roles and responsibilities you keep? If something like Verizon I have worked, what does it goes on? Walmart, what does they really want from these kind of companies? You can select any three projects from this list which you feel like confident, and you can keep in your resume, and you can start your job search in USA. Okay, so that's
okay
what confidence I can give, and I'm giving you that confidence from my side.
okay.
Okay,
Thank you,
great.
Praveen.
So you, yeah, thanks a lot and take care. Don't worry. Okay. So I know like what is the pain after you go to USA and find job. Keep searching. Okay, and make a network. Like in USA, networking is very important, right?
Yeah
So make a very good network. Like approach people on LinkedIn. Reach out like you are doing this, you are doing that. So that's how you get it. Struggles are there for USA, but yeah, you have to get it job. Yeah.
okay. Thank you,
Okay,
Praveen.
thanks. Yeah, thanks a lot. Bye. So yeah, that was like Ramya. So I think uh, no issues from the payment side. Yeah, you can see like I have also shared some details here. So guys, two people I want to take you in this time. Who are those two people? I'm waiting still. Okay, my teaching is ultimate. Thanks a lot, Devaraj. Okay, Venu, go ahead.
Hi, Praveen. Can you hear
Hi.
me?
Hi. Yes, I am able to hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah, Praveen, I have a technical experience of request 3.5
Your
years.
voice is not coming.
Yeah. Now,
Yeah. Can you be more louder?
One second, I'm doing my headsets. Okay,
Hmm.
so I think Praveen, I had a
Yes. Now.
non-technical experience of 3.5 years.
Okay.
Now I am on to join your course, and I need one clarity. If I join your course, you will take it till the placement, or you will teach all our things and that's it. We have to try
No.
in
How you will get
regarding
a job,
placements.
what is there, what is you need to get a job, all those things I'll be teaching. Okay, I will show you jobs from various portals, how to apply, like how to apply also I will tell, but applying, sitting in the interview, clearing the interview, that's your responsibilities. Clear, right? But I will help you what you need in the interview to clear. That's very straight that I am doing in this various courses. And that's how you have seen like my students have got placements. And mostly like product companies only we are targeting, because in product companies your packages will be good, your details, like your work life balance will be good. That's how I target basically. Okay. Venu, you are there?
Praveen, నాకు మీ voice వినపడట్లేదండి.
Okay, okay. So what I'm telling is, I will help you to get a job. Okay, like how to get a job, where to get a job, how to sit in the placements, how to find a job. Those things I can do. Ultimately, you are the person who is going to give the interviews and all, right? That's very simple. I'm going to give you projects, resumes, details, and everything. But ultimately, you will be the single person sitting in interview and cracking. Okay.
Yeah, okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you. Okay. Yes. Okay, Manisha, go ahead. I think Manisha Jadhav, right?
Yeah. Hi, Praveen. Yeah,
Hi, hi.
thanks for this session. And I joined it from the starting and watched it till the end. So it's really
Great.
grateful. And actually, I'm working as a QA automation engineer and
Hmm.
closely working with the DevOps team, basically as a cloud test engineer, you can
Okay,
say. So I'm much familiar with the Google Cloud platform. But
great.
as I've gone through the curriculum over here, it is based on the AWS, right?
Yes. AWS and Azure, both.
Azure, yeah. So I hope it won't be the much difference between the cloud
No,
platforms.
see,
No.
cloud, all are same, just like names. You will see, right? Like once
Hmm.
you do AWS, the same things will be there in Azure, but like names of those systems will be different.
Okay, okay. So
That
as
will
I
be
was working on this technology, I was getting some interest into the cloud. So I was always thinking about to shifting to DevOps. So I think it's a good time to shift now. So
yes, yes, yes.
also similarly, I always gone through your LinkedIn, post and always visiting to that. So I thought it's a good chance to take it now. So
Yeah,
thank you so much for the same. And as you earlier answered that you will be there with for all of these things, starting from
yes.
the CV
Yeah,
till
I
the
will be only
interviews
teaching.
and
No other
yes,
person will.
yes,
Yes, no
that
other
is really
person will be there.
grateful.
I will be only there. But you need to be there till the last class. That's what I need. Consistency
Yeah,
learning. You
sure.
you heard right? Like all the students who
Mm-hmm.
have got placed, learning and they did hard work. It's not like आज आए फिर 2 दिन के बाद
Yes.
गायब हो गए फिर 5 दिन के बाद आ रहे हो. That nowhere. अरे आप 50,000
Mm-hmm.
1 लाख भी बांध लो कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूट को, कोई भी ऐसा नहीं कर पाएगा कि आपको
Correct,
डायरेक्ट जॉब.
correct.
और
Yeah,
फ्रेशर्स दे थिंक लाइक कि यार एक रात में सब हो जाना चाहिए, या फिर दे विल
mm,
फील लाइक कि मैं बस गया, मैं बैठा, मैं मेरे को प्रोजेक्ट आ जाना चाहिए. दे डोंट नो एबीसी और उनको पूरा प्रोजेक्ट कैसे आएगा. That doesn't make sense, right? So you have to work hard. I will be also working hard. So it's like 50-50 win-win. ठीक है?
yeah, yeah, sure, sure.
Okay,
Let's
thanks a
hope to
lot.
grow with this. Yeah,
Yeah,
thank you
thank you.
so much.
Yeah, thank you. So that was Manisha, guys. So I think that's great. So guys, anyone who is still interested to enroll with me, so I'm calling this last chance. Anyone who is interested to enroll with me can let me know. At least your name you can let me know. Ledu Devraj, in Telugu there is no course. Okay, so I'm putting all my energy, all my efforts on English batch itself right now. So I want to make it good success in the English. So if you are good in understanding things in English, you can definitely join. So there is no such break. Okay, how much coding required knowledge is required? See, coding knowledge is not required. We will do scenario based coding. Okay, like REST API is here to get the data. We'll make sure like what are the things that you need to know before you sit in the interview. Those kind of coding scenarios we will plan. Okay, Arun, but I am working. Okay, good. Venkatesh Iyer. Which role is more stress, developer or developer? Obviously, Praveen, I got a job in startup, but I don't have PF. I want to shift to another company. Is there a problem? Some companies ask PF. Without PF, people will think that you are telling lie. Okay, that's very important. So always make sure like you have your PF, and try to make sure you switch the company quickly. That will help you actually. Okay. Okay, Pavitra, thanks a lot. The timings which you conduct, I conduct this. These are the timings, guys. So Saturday and Sunday, purely 9 to 11:30 a.m. On Sunday, right? If you see on Sunday, it will be sorry, Saturday and Sunday this, and on Wednesday it's 8 p.m. IST. So mostly, you will be with me on Indian time. Okay. What is the current market situation? Okay, for DevOps market for freshers and experienced, you already know. Freshers, it's difficult, guys. I'm not telling lie. For freshers, it's really difficult to cope up in the market, but you need to continuously learn. You need to upskill. Okay, right. What are the important topics of Linux? Explain in detail. Okay, so these are the important topics of Linux for anyone, not only for freshers, guys. So let me, yeah. So guys, for Linux, where is this? Yeah. So all of you see here, Red Hat Linux System Automation. So here, whatever is there in the RHCSS certification, okay, what I'm targeting here is in this week, you will be getting all the questions that I went through Red Hat Linux System Administration certification. So you will be getting repository management, user management, security management, file management, disk management, probably, right? And patching, all those things in this week, okay? So that's what you are going to get. And rest anyways, you know, like what exactly we have to do. Okay, you are not able to speak confidently. This is one important thing where all the students face the issue. So simple, very simple. Okay, practice in front of mirror. I would say write your question, practice in front of mirror, close your door, sit alone in the room and practice, practice, practice. Practice in the mirror will definitely help you. Yes, Sunday and Saturday are classes actually. Okay, so see here, Saturday and Sunday classes are there, so you can definitely enroll. Okay, no new batch for Telugu, guys. Okay, so very clear on that. Akshay, you want to join? That's great, but your system is showing like device not connected, so there is some issue, Akshay. So you want to join? You will be able to join from here. Okay. If job assistance in your course, what will be the assistance provided by you? So nominally for job assistance, we are doing this: resume templates, interview questions, mock interviews with feedback, each project roles and responsibilities, going over the websites to give you jobs. Okay, showing you the job portals, guidance. Okay, that is like guidance. Okay. Hi Shubham, kaise ho? Badhiya. Okay, fees, Rajiv, the fees is 4,999. All of you see here, 4,999. Once you say book your seat, it will take you to this page. You have to enter your name, email ID, your number, select your country. According to your country, you can select. And if you want something like this from product-based companies, some interview questions, you can check on this 9 rupees also, and you can pay like 5,000. If you don't want this, it will be 4,999 only for last 2 people who are there in this class. Okay. Yes. Yes. Great, Debagria. All the best. I think that will really help you. Classes are going to start in next few days, Akshay. Right. So you can see details here. Which I don't want to be in. Is it possible? Okay, 10 years of experience, 8 testing, 2 Azure cloud. Can I stay technical? Yes, you can stay technical and work as DevOps for the next couple of years, or I will be pushed up management role in DevOps. See, there are two things. If you are 10 years of experience, then people will try to, you can move into the lead position, you can move into other domain. It's up to you. And guys, if you are with me, like the video, guys. Okay, at least for the efforts that I'm talking with you all. Yes. Gautam, YouTube Saif Gautam want to join. I have a doubt. Your device is not connected. It's showing. I cannot accept it. I think either you have to give permission for your mic or video. Either of the things. So Akshay is same for you. Okay, you are able to see, right? Yeah. Now I think it's good. Okay, Akshay, go ahead.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
You have to register by now. Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I'm working as a system admin in a college past 8 years right now.
Okay.
So I want to switch my role to the DevOps because previous I have the experience in on-premises hardware like computers, VMware like that.
Hmm.
So this experience is included in this DevOps like that. I can show in my resume also.
No, you can system admin in college you are or company.
Yeah, no, sir, college, sir. It's an education institution.
See, that will not help. Okay, so
Yeah,
if you want to learn good things, you can join. Like
yeah.
you want to do learning, you want to teach this to some other students, you can definitely join. That will help you. No issue.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
right.
So this
Thanks.
experience is not considered, sir.
That's not possible. Actually, that's not
So
considered. Actually,
if I join this course, I can definitely got a job in DevOps.
how can you
If
tell
I,
that? How can you tell that? Tell me. I am
yeah,
asking
okay.
you. Right? You
So
don't have experience, right? So how can I tell
yeah.
that you will get a job? I am telling. That's why
No,
I
sir.
told.
No, sir. If I learn the DevOps
Hmm,
course from your course,
hmm, hmm.
if I got job, definitely.
No, that's what I'm telling. It's
Oh, okay,
difficult.
okay, okay. Okay, sir. I can understand.
You
I,
understood, right? You can
okay,
learn.
okay.
And if you want to
Sir.
tell some other students in your college, you can do that. That's for
Yeah.
sure. Okay?
Yes, sir. Previously, I have attended one interview, sir. They tell me that this experience is not considered because you didn't have these roles and responsibilities in your institution.
Correct.
That's why.
Correct. That's true,
So,
right? So for a college,
mm,
like they will not consider actually. So you need to be
okay,
focusing on doing something for filling that gap. Okay?
okay, okay, sir.
Okay, great.
Thank you, thank you.
Will
I
you
can join,
class?
sir. Definitely. Thank you,
You
thank
can join,
you.
definitely. No issues.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, thank Okay, so guys, that's all for today. I think I'm done. Almost like 1.5 hour we have talked. Yes, it will help. Entertainment Galaxy, it will help. See, placement assurance. You have to check. Okay, you see probably not me. You check in YouTube. You check in any course. If anyone gives placement assurance, they will take from you 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Okay, so Deepak, if you need placement assistance, you can go like assurance, right? Not assistance, also assurance. You can go with some 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs payment. But I'm giving you the guidance here. Okay, I'm giving you with projects. I will be able to make you sit in the interview. Okay, right. So I think I'm doing my job. 2 months, Aniket. Okay, no one is telling I'm not any project. I'm on bench, learn DevOps tools, and had completed my much extent. What should be my approach for DevOps plus AWS job? Change your resume to the DevOps and AWS projects and search for jobs. That's what simple thing I will tell you. Okay, guys. So final call. Last two people, those who want to enroll before 20 minutes, you will be with me. 3 levels will be for you to unlock for your projects, for your career. I will be guiding right away once you join this course in 20 minutes. Okay. So see you all in the class. Right. Thanks all for joining. Yes, Advik, that's very true. You need to work hard. I'll be also teaching you all, right? So with this, you will get stability in your company. Okay, so no issues. Okay, I hope you have liked the session. So much efforts we have put in to discuss many things. Okay, so let's take this learnings ahead, and thanks all for joining this live. Like the video if you have liked the content, and okay, great. Sheikh, thanks a lot. Okay, so if anyone needs any help, comment on this video. Okay, so I'll be able to reply to your queries quickly. And two people, those who are with me, you can come into the batch, unlock your levels, level 1, 2, 3, and other things also. Okay, so see you all in the next class. Until then, take care. And yes, one more thing I forgot to tell you, if you need any demo session, right? If you need, like, I want a demo class to listen to Praveen, I want something to listen from Praveen, then you can register for the demo class also. I'll be sharing that demo link here. Okay, you can register for the demo, which is happening tomorrow. Okay, so you can register for the demo, and the same goes with the LinkedIn people also. If anyone is watching me, right? I don't know how many of you are watching me, but yeah, this is the demo link. If you want to register for the demo class, you can come in. Okay, right. Thanks all for joining. Until then, take care. Bye. We will meet you in the next class. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. How was the session? Thanks a lot. You have met some amazing DevOps engineers today, right? So you can do the registrations. Okay. See you all in next class. Until then, take care. This is Singham signing off. Bye.